Hello, I'm going to show how our resource management system works. So for this demo, I'm going to have two users. One is user 1 and the other one is user 2. User 1 is the super admin and he's going to log in to the system using his email and password. And when the super admin logs in, he has the option to create a new lab. So he's just going to create a lab called just 1. And he's going to add that lab. And if you go to list all labs, he sees the new lab that he created. Now he has the option to approve this lab. So even if a regular user creates a lab, superadmin has to first approve the lab. So after he approved the lab, he's going to log out. Now the regular user is going to log into the system, which is user 2. And after user 2 login, when he go to list all labs, he sees that the lab the super admin created, he has the option to request to join this lab. So he's going to send the request to join the lab. Now again, super admin logs in and he go to list all labs, view labs. On the lab page, he's the only one who's allowed to manage the lab members. So he go to manage members. He see the request from the user 2, so he's going to do approve the user request. And also he can add equipment to the lab, so he's going to add a new equipment saying 1, and he's going to add that item. So when the regular user comes in, they can post ratings about the lab, comment on it, and also book this equipment. So let's see how it looks for a regular user. So regular user 2 logs in and he go to list all labs, view the lab, and now since he's a member of the lab, he has the option to book this equipment. Say he goes here and he booked this, and if you view it again, you will see that the item is booked by him for the day 1. And also he has the option to post ratings about this equipment. You'll see the rating comes in here, and he also has the option to comment about the equipment, and also he can rate the lab. He can post comments about the lab. It shows up here. And also one other feature that we have is if you go to list all users, let's say the regular user wants to send a personal message to user 1. You can just click on user 1 and type in a personal message, send personal message, so the message is sent successfully. And if you log out and the super user logs in, he can go to view my messages. He sees the message and he has the option to reply or delete the message. So in this case, I'm going to reply. And that's pretty much our application. Thanks.